So if you are looking, number one, for a very accessible retirement home or any lot project no na talagang malapit sa Eton City SLEX exit, malapit sa New Valley area, malapit sa commercial spaces, no, hospitals and schools, and I think this is the best location for you. Number one, ito yung pinakamabebenta talaga ni Solen dahil napakaganda talaga ng location niya. Number two is its price, no? For its price na nakaspread sa 18 months to pay ang down payment at 0% interest, yung 150 square meter na lot area on the average, nasa 39,000 pesos lang per month. At ang maganda dito, during the course of 18 months, pwede kang mag-advance payment on top of your fixed monthly down payment para yung loanable balance mo na 80% of the total contract price. After 1.5 year, mababawasan, or else, no, meron kayong chance na makabili at mapay to, no, within that down payment term para hindi na kayo mag-loan sa future. So, you got the lot without paying any interest. Last but not the least, of course, hindi mo kailangang pumunta or lumayo sa Manila para lang makabili ng property na very green. Of course, this is developed by Greenfield Development Corporation and they are very true to its nature. Very wide view corridor, napakaraming open spaces, at napakaraming greenery, no, in which perfect for retirement or building your family. So if you want an accessible, very budget-friendly, a pre-selling payment term, and of course, no, a very green community, then Solen Residences is for you.
Xavier.
Hi guys, happy weekend, and this is me again, Jaire Mamaklay, your property geek, and we are here at the best-selling retirement property, of course, here in the South, Solen Residences. So, alam naman natin, no, kapag naghahanap tayo ng property, it is all about location, location, location. At ang maganda, no, yung extension ni Solen Residences with an average of 150 square meter lot area magbubukas and it will launch, no, this October. So before we deep dive on this extension, no, ng Solen Residences, please catch our latest Manila Bulletin feature about e-treating, no? Visit md.com.ph and search the property geek in the property living section. So ayan guys, yung isa sa platform natin na bago ngayon aside from TikTok, YouTube, and Facebook. Again, that's Manila Bulletin, which is also available on their website if you are not here in the Philippines. So ayan guys, no, again, ang average lot sizes ng Solen Residences, alam ko ang dami sa inyo na gustong humabol, no, lalo na yung recent na feature natin na corner lot na ang bilis na mag-sold out, then this is your chance guys, no, dahil there are a total of 99 lots for the Cluster 1 of Solen Residences Extension. That is Phase 1C. At ang maganda pa, madami tayong mga model houses na pwedeng pagpilian. Of course, no, modern tropical pa rin yung ating model houses. So, naka-flash ngayon sa screen yung mga model houses. Bawal ang gate, maximum of 2 floors, pero pwede basement, guys. At ang maganda dito, of course, no, yung model houses na ito, yung exterior design, pwedeng yung bilhin yung blueprint. But you have the freedom, no, kung ano yung mga gusto nyong gawin sa exterior design nyo, basta nasusunod yung modern tropical design. But for the interior layout, you have the complete freedom kung ano yung gusto nyo interior dahil hindi naman siya nakikita sa community. Punta naman tayo sa payment terms. Ang average lot size again is 150 square meters with an average total contract price of 8 million, VAT inclusive and kasama na yung other charges, and 18 months to pay ang 20% down payment, no, at around 38,800 pesos per month. So again guys, perfecto lalo na sa inyo na yung mga hindi nagmamadaling magpatayo ng bahay. Alam ko, no, marami tayong clients abroad na nagtitingin for a retirement home pero wala namang urgent need na mag-construct ng house, then this is the perfect term for you. And again guys, no, sabi ko nga kanina, yung location talaga yung hindi mo ma-change na, no? Dahil kapag bumili ka dito, forever nang nandito yung location yan. I know, sasabihin nyo guys sa akin, no, yung 8 million na 150 square meters, Jaire, bakit elevated yung price? Of course, you are in a developing area. Tabi-tabi na dito yung mga developments, guys. And alam nyo yung long-term benefit no sa future na hindi na kayo masyadong gagasto sa transportation cost dahil malapit lang yung SLEX exit papunta sa Manila, connecting Skyway papunta sa North, and of course sa airport or NAIA. And at the same time, if you are building your family, University Belt of the South is here. The nearest school here is University of the East. Of course, very accessible din yung University of Santo Tomas. Nandito na rin yung De La Salle University with a 50-hectare campus. And of course, yung rumored National University no sa SM Prime Development malapit sa Qualimed Hospital. And speaking of hospital, napaka-accessible lang ng The Medical City South Luzon dito. And of course, yung Healthway or yung Qualimed Hospital by Ayala. Again guys, magkakalapit lang. And ang maganda here, no, very evident na marami na akong nakausap sa neighborhood ng Solen Residences, meron kayong sariling shuttle. So for example, no, wala kang magdadrive sa inyo, yung helper nyo or yung member ng family nyo hindi marunong mag-drive or hindi available yung car, huwag kayong mag-alala dahil may sariling shuttle yung Solen Residences. If you want to mag-grocery kayo no, sa labas, no, which is just a very few minutes away from Paseo de Santa Rosa or Shopwise or Landers or SNR, pwedeng-pwede nyo gamitin yung shuttle service. And of course, yung amenities, ipapakita namin sa inyo kung gaano kaganda yung amenities ng Solen Residences. Alam ko no, na na-feature ko na to ng marami pero i-refresh ko ulit kayo ngayon. And of course, ipapakita namin sa inyo exclusively kung ano yung mga bagong tayong bahay dito with a modern tropical design. So guys, samahan nyo ako sa pag-ikot natin sa Solen Community. So if you guys are interested to avail the first 99 lots with an 18-month to pay down payment term at 0% interest, please feel free to contact me, your Property Geek. This is my mobile number, 0927-185-1590. Again, +63 927-185-1590. You may call me. This is my local number and this is also available on iMessage for iPhone users, and this is also my Viber and WhatsApp account for clients living abroad. And you may also reach me through my personal Facebook account, Jaire Valerio Mamaklay. And guys, if hindi pa kayo nakakapag-subscribe sa YouTube channel, please feel free to like and subscribe our video. And of course, magbasa tayo ng Manila Bulletin. I am contributing twice a month, lalo na sa mga hacks about real estate, yung mga trends, marami akong i-release dyan. Again, maraming salamat sa pagtutok, and this has been Jaire Mamaklay, your Property Geek.